Hey everybody, it is your girl Maya here. How you doing? I'm back. Sorry for the delay. It's been a lot going on. So if you guys are new to my channel, hello, welcome back. I talk about health, natural hair, sister locks, and lifestyle. That is what you'll see here on my channel. The last video I made, well, the last two videos I made, I talked about how I was pregnant. Yay! But a lot has happened in that time span, so let's do a little recap in this video so you know what's going on with me. So when I posted that video, I want to say I was probably about 5 months pregnant. Who would have known that the very next month I would be giving birth? I was literally a week away from being 7 months, and my blood pressure shot up through the roof, and bam, I ended up having preeclampsia, and my daughter had to come on out. Aria Sayori is born. She's here. I will insert a picture there so you guys know. Unfortunately, she hasn't been able to come home with me just yet because she is a preemie. She was born 27 weeks, at 27 weeks I should say, and it's been quite a journey. So sorry, I apologize for the videos. I was doing really good, y'all. I was uploading videos every week, and then bam, life hit, and it's just, she has been the priority. So my hair, my nails, my everything, self-care, everything has been put on the back burner to make sure that this child is okay, and it's a lot, y'all. But I did want to give you guys kind of an update on my hair because I missed my 1 year anniversary with everything happening. So it's been over a year that I've had my Sisterlocks. As you can see, I think the prenatals really kind of got them popping a little bit, you know. Check it. So I'll put everything in the back so you guys can see. This is my full length at a year. And you all, if you have been watching my videos since I first began, you know this is some major growth because my hair was cut off significantly. Like 5 inches of my hair was cut off when my Sisterlocks were installed. So this is probably a little longer than where my hair was when they were first installed. If you look back at those original videos, you will see exactly what I was talking about. And if you haven't seen them yet, go ahead, click the link in my bio for the previous updates, and you'll see how the length of my hair was at that time. But just some things that I've noticed. I'm only, Aria is 10 weeks, so I'm recording right now. It is September 5th. So it's only been a couple of weeks since my last 6-week checkup, and everything has been going good. I am pumping and breastfeeding my daughter, so I do think all of those things contribute to your hair and your overall health postpartum. I haven't had a lot of shedding or anything just yet. When I talked to my lactician about it, she was saying that usually that happens around the 5 to 6 month range. So I'm gonna be on the lookout, and trust me, I will definitely let you guys know what's going on in that regard, because if it's, I heard that postpartum hair shedding, that's no joke. So we'll see how my locks fare with that. Just a few other updates I have noticed. I think I talked to you guys before, the little tiny strands of hair that I have here. If you guys can see, I still have the little curlies at the end, but some of the little bump like balls that I had, like, let's give you a good example. And my hair is really curly because I just recently got it retwisted and washed. But there's some little balls at the end that are part of the locking process that my lactician was telling me just wait on, you know, it will dissipate in a way or whatnot, so we'll see. But those kind of have been coming off, and now I have, if you can see, I just have more curls at the ends, but I'm trying to find a good one. Okay, so this is a good one. So this big knot here, these kind of like starting to come off after a while. They become little knots, and then they become a little straggly little hair, and those come off, the little fairy knots, so I can take those off. Also, I have stopped braiding and banding my hair with washing. Yeah, y'all, I graduated. Hey. So that's really cool. It's nice to be able to do that, because now with this baby, I'm gonna need the most efficient way to be able to do and manage my hair. Trying to think of any changes. Oh, I mentioned that I was going to dye my hair, so y'all look out for that, because I finally got the okay. I am no longer pregnant, so I don't have to worry about that. I am breastfeeding, so I'm kind of keeping that in mind, but I have something that I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and see if it works for my hair. Well, I don't know. I bought the gloves, I bought the product, so now I'm gonna film it. That'll be the next video that you guys will see from me, which is going to be me trying to do something to lighten my hair a little bit. It's not permanent. It should last for a while though, from what I heard, before, at least until it's washed out. So we'll try one of those things. And then if I like it, then maybe we'll try and dye it at home. Y'all, I'm so terrified to do that. My husband's like, go to a professional. Which I feel like I can learn some things. I might just go ahead and try to do that myself. But I just wanted to come on and give you guys a little update. I have not forgotten about my Sisterlock sisters, my nursing sisters, my lovely ladies that continue to comment and continue to support my channel. Thanks so much. I appreciate you all. I just wanted to give you a little life update, because this has been a crazy couple of weeks. I actually have content that I need to release on my channel that I haven't even had a chance to do, because I'm still catching up from being in the hospital. Before Arya was even born, I was in the hospital for 8 days. So that is crazy, crazy. And it threw off my whole schedule, everything. Like, I went to work, had a follow-up appointment after work. Went there, they took my blood pressure. It was 178/110, and I didn't go home. So yeah, that was rough, but she's here, she's doing well. And I appreciate all of the support and love that I have gotten from my Instagram so far. Everybody reaching out and really being supportive and helping out mommies. I also want to shout out something else that I am doing now, since I am a NICU mom. I have been, and it's NICU Awareness Month. That's a big thing too. September is. So actually what I've been doing is making blankets. I have one behind me. They are so cute and cuddly. They're actually pretty large, if you guys can see. It's a pretty large blanket. I had it over the whole couch. But I've been hand knitting blankets and donating a portion of the proceeds to the NICU, the neonatal ICU unit, for the little babies like my daughter, and to the families that need something, the moms that maybe, you know, were not prepared like me, you know, and need a little extra hand. A portion of the proceeds that I get from these blankets go to the NICU unit. So please, I'm gonna put the link in my bio if you guys would like to purchase a blanket. Just remember that the proceeds, a portion of the proceeds do go there, and a portion of it goes to our household and helping us out as well, because we have had to quickly put together our daughter's room because she came 3 months early, baby. We was not prepared at all. The room wasn't even cleaned out. Like, it was crazy. It was really crazy. But if you like these blankets, if you are looking for a cute decorative piece, the colors are listed on there. It does not just come in this beautiful red color. I have it in gray and pink. There's some blush colors. It's an oatmeal color. I have a gray one that I have here too. I actually think I have 2 grays. But yeah, so if you're interested, please click the link below and purchase a blanket. I know they make awesome pieces on your furniture. I had it on my couch up here. And it's fall time, y'all. It's time to get snuggly with your significant other or by yourself if you're still working from home. Nice and snuggly in your PJs while you are on your laptop. And I think you would really like it. They're machine washable, and they are so soft. I'm actually in the process of making Aria one too, so when she comes home she will have a nice snuggly blanket that she will love. And yeah, so that's all I have really for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching my channel as much as you can. I'm gonna be posting more hair content coming up. I just want to give you guys an update of where I've been. Like, I just dropped off the face of the earth for like 2 months and here I am. So thanks again, and don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video or share my other hair content videos so that you can learn more about Sisterlocks and about my journey. See you next time.